Introduction to linear equations. A linear equation in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and both a and b are not 0, is called a linear equation in two variables x and y. Solution of a linear equation in two variables. Any pair of values of x and y which satisfy the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called the solution of the given equation. Or we can otherwise define this as every point lying on the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called the solution of linear equation. Now let us understand the concept further. Pair of linear equation in two variables. Two linear equations which are in the two same variables or unknowns, that is x and y, are called a pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us see an example related to two variables as in form of equations. One day, Siri and her father went to a bookshop.
How can I help you?
I need 3 notebooks and 2 pens.
Okay, I will give.
How much are they?
80 rupees, sir.
Okay, take it.
Later, Siri's father dropped her in school.
How good those books and pens are. I want to buy the same.
How can I help you?
I need 4 notebooks and 3 pens.
Okay, I will give.
How much they cost?
110 rupees.
Okay, take this.
Let me explain this example in simple words. Consider Siri went to a bookshop with her father and bought 3 notebooks and 2 pens. Her father paid rupees 80 for them. Her friend Lakshmi bought the same books and she paid rupees 110 for 4 books and 3 pens. Now, let us write these two scenarios in equation form as cost of 3 notebooks plus 2 pens is equal to 80 rupees. Cost of 4 notebooks plus 3 pens is equal to 110 rupees. Here, cost of notebooks and cost of pens are not known separately. So, these costs are referred as unknown quantities. The above situations can be represented in a mathematical approach as 3x plus 2y is equal to 80. Consider this as equation 1. 4x plus 3y is equal to 110. Consider this as equation 2. These above equations together are called pair of linear equations or system of equations. Now let us know the general form of pair of linear equations in two variables x and y, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are all real coefficients and a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. A pair of linear equations in two variables is also known as system of linear equations or simultaneous equations.